Hey guys, welcome to this Microsoft advertising free course. Inside this course, we will step by step going to guide you from basic, okay, what Microsoft ad is, what is the concept behind Microsoft ads, how Microsoft ads work, and also we will step by step going to guide you how you can create campaigns, what is the campaign structure, and which are the campaign's goal. And along with that, we will also going to use the powerful AI tool that is ChatGPT as well. That will also going to make your tasks very much easy in case if you stuck anywhere in the Microsoft ads. Okay, so if you guys are interested and want to learn about basics of Microsoft, okay, so this is the right course for you guys, because inside this course we will step by step going to guide you each and everything which a beginners requires to learn about Microsoft. Okay, like setting up the Microsoft account, creating campaigns, and all the things we will going to cover inside this free course. So if you guys are interested, watch this course from starting to end. You will really going to love this content, and you will also going to like this content. Okay, so watch this course from starting to end. Okay. Hey guys, so now we will going to understand the concept of Microsoft Ads concept. Okay, so this is what this lecture is all about. So there will be two scenarios. One will be the case when we will going to have the Microsoft Ads, and another case will be there when we will not going to have the Microsoft Ads. So basically there will be two scenarios with Microsoft Ads, and in the right without Microsoft Ads. So let's see if we just talk about here. Okay, about this thing, let me just show you guys. Okay, so if we just talk about without Microsoft Ads, so for example, let's say without Microsoft Ads or without any paid ads, I'm talking about the past. Okay, in history, what used to happen was, let's say you start one company, or let's say factory, to build, let's say, clothes. Okay, so at that time, what used to happen is that we used to advertise our product and service using television, radios. So here what used to happen is that you always end up showing your product advertisement to those people who is not related to your product and service. For example, your product is of man for the age group between 18 to 30. But earlier what used to happen is that when you have a business, so you show your advertisement using TV, radios, and other newspaper maybe. So here you show your advertisement to even those people who are not related to your business. For example, a male with age 12. So earlier this type of people also used to see your advertisement. So what used to happen is that these are not the targeted audience. That means you guys can see this is the he is a man, but age is 12, and your product and services is for the age group between 18 to 30. Similarly, earlier what used to happen, female also used to see your advertisement. Suppose you are a man business who provide product and service between the age group of 18 to 30. So earlier what used to happen was that female also used to see your product. For example, she is a female and you are selling your product and service for the man. So these ladies also non-targeted audience. That means they are not related to your product and service. So this was the problem earlier used to happen. Okay, so basically earlier what used to happen is that earlier businesses used to show their product and service advertisement to those people who are also not related to your not related to the business. So ultimately all audience see your ads. So this is what used to happen. For example, in our example, men between age group of 18 to 30 is our basically our customer, but all the audience even used to see. For example, female will also going to see your ad, even men will going to see, but the age group will not going to fit in our product and service criteria in this example. So ultimately all audience see your ads, and because of this it used to be very costly, because if you remember that earlier when we used to advertise on televisions and radio, so they cost so much money. So small businesses generally do not afford to go with this medium of advertisement, and business generally suffers loss if we just talk about the past. Okay, so this is the problem. Without Microsoft ads we used to suffer, not even Microsoft ads, but without any online advertising platform. Okay, but now what used to happen, if we just talk with the point of view of Microsoft ads, so now what you guys can do is that you can show your advertisement. For example, your product and service is related to selling men clothes for the age group of 18 to 30. Now using Microsoft ads you can target to men between the age group of 18 to 30. So for example, this man is of this is one man with the age of 22, and this is also a man with the age of 29. So you can see to age 22 and age 29, and both are men, so they just fit inside our 18 to 30 criteria. So this is what now used to happen. Okay, that means now in this time using Microsoft ads, what you guys can do, you can exactly target uh, to people related to your product and service. So now what used to happen is that you only target to audience, you only target to the potential customers. Now potential customers are those people who can purchase your product and service. Okay, so now so because of the Microsoft ads, now it's become very much easy that we do laser targeting. That means we can only show our advertisement to those people who are related to our business, and who meet our business product and services condition. Okay, second thing is that it ultimately increases the sale, because you can see that if we just show our advertisement to our targeted audience, so probability is very high that they will going to purchase more and more from your store. Okay, so ultimately it will going to help you to increase the sale, and also it's very affordable. If we just talk about Microsoft ads, so you can even start with $10 per day. Okay, it's very small amount, and ultimately even small owners can now use Microsoft ads. Any people in the world can now create account in Microsoft ads, and they can run the advertisement, and ultimately because of that they will always be in the good position. Okay, that means any business can start and create account in Microsoft ads. They can create one campaign and run the campaign, and they can only target to those people who can purchase their product and service. So ultimately they will going to get more sales, and ultimately business will be in good position. And the best thing about this online advertising platform like Microsoft ads, you can even do tracking and measurement as well. You can track how many people are coming to your sales page or maybe on your website, and out of them how many are purchasing, which people are not purchasing. So all that information now you guys can track using the paid advertising platforms like Microsoft ads. So this is the concept of Microsoft ads, and this is how the advertisement is very much important using Microsoft ads. So step by step we will going to guide you to create campaign and how we can target. Okay, each and everything we will going to step by step teach you inside this course. Okay, so hope you guys have somehow understood the basic concept of paid advertising using Microsoft ads, and why we should use it so that we can get all these amazing benefits. Okay, so guys, let's create the Microsoft accounts. So you can just search for Microsoft ads. Okay, now for every country it is bit different. So here you guys will going to see we have this over here. So you can just simply click on this link, that is the ads.microsoft.com. Okay, and for all the countries procedures are slightly different, but you can try it out. Okay, so nothing complicated, you just have to put the details which they will ask. So just click on this sign up now button, and click on this sign up for a new Microsoft account. Okay, and in case if you already have account, so you can click here, and of course In case if you want any kind of help related to set up your account, okay, so you can just call on this number. Okay, maybe for different country the number may be different. Okay, and similarly you guys can also click on this start a live chat to directly talk with the Microsoft team. They will also better going to help you out with setting up your account. Okay, so you can also click on this sign in to the existing account if you already have your account. Okay, otherwise you can sign up, and it's very basic. And of course you can always chat with Microsoft team, because as I have mentioned, the process will be slightly different for all the different countries. But let's wait for the Microsoft to show some display. Okay, there's something problem I guess with the Microsoft. Let me just see over here. Okay, okay, so okay, so it has directly redirected me to the uh, account, right? Let's wait. So it's very simple, my friends. You guys can see this is how it looks. Okay, there's nothing complicated, and this is the totally fresh account. You guys can see we have over here. Okay, and of course there's nothing complicated, by the way. If you just even open the, let's say, Microsoft Edge, and if you just click on this URL, okay, so you can just put or click on this sign up now button, let's say. Okay, and after that you can see this is how it will going to look like. Okay, so here you can see if you don't have account, so just click on this create one, that's it, and follow the basic procedure. Put your email address, whatever you have, maybe your Gmail ID, let's say abc at the rate gmail.com Gmail ID, or any ID. Just put that over here, and then just click on the next button and follow the basic thing, and then it will automatically going to redirect you to here. Okay, on this particular place, that's it. Okay, and as I have mentioned and as I have showed you, that in case if you suffer with any problem, you can just contact to the live support. Okay, or let me just show you one thing. Just click on, let's say, images. Okay, so there's one thing which I just want to teach you. I guess this is the thing. Okay, so here you can see, in case if it will ask you some stuff like this or anything, so you can just keep them out. Okay, there's nothing you need to put on the Microsoft, by the way. Just try and come to the basic over here. Okay, that's it, and this is what you have to do. Okay, hey guys, so now before we just proceed and learn about Microsoft X, it's very much important to have one sale or landing page. Now, what is basically landing page? So basically, sale or landing page is the place where you show what you are offering. Okay, for example, you can show product which you are trying to sell, buy button, okay, where people can click and they can just purchase your product and service. You can put the terms and condition, contact information. You can basically put lot many things in your landing page. So basically it's very much important to create one landing page, otherwise you will not be able to take the complete benefit of Microsoft Ads, because Microsoft Ads will going to ask you to put the URL of your website, or I can say landing page. Then whenever anyone will going to see your advertisement in Microsoft, through Microsoft, and when they will click on your advertisement, they will go to the landing page. So it's very much important for us to know how to create one landing page, And do not worry, we will offer you our free course. So using that free course, you can learn and build one landing page without doing any single coding. Okay. So what you have to do is that you just have to search for Cuckoo courses, click on enter button, and then you guys will going to see we have this website, that is courses.com website. You guys just have to click on this particular website. Okay, and after you will click on the website, you will come to our website. Now what you have to do, you just have to scroll at very bottom, and when you will scroll to very bottom, you guys will going to see the option of a free courses over here. Click on that option called free courses. Okay, so it will just going to list all the free courses we will going to have in our website. Also you guys can see the course which we are looking is here, that is create landing page for ads and affiliate marketing. This is the course. In case if you don't see it over here, you can just search for landing pages, click on enter button, and then you guys will able to see this free course here. So just click on this free course like this, create landing page for ads and affiliate marketing, and you guys can see it's total of 3 hours course which you guys have to follow in case if you don't have landing page. Okay, so just click on this start learning button. You do not require to do any kind of sign up, or you don't have to put any credit card details or anything. Just simply click on the start learning button and you will be able to watch this course for absolutely free. Just wait for the video player to load. Okay, and after the video player will going to load, in case if it face any problem, just reload the page. That's it, and just click on this play button. Okay guys, now we will going to, and the lecture will going to start to play. Now inside this course we will going to teach you about how to create landing page, as well as how to create thank you page for tracking purpose. Basically we do that on our paid advertising platforms. So it's important to create one landing page as well as thank you page, and after payment on landing page, after someone will going to make successful payment, they will go to the thank you page. So all this functionality, how to create landing page, how to create thank you page, and how to add the functionality that when someone will going to buy, so they will go to thank you page after successful payment. So all these things have been covered inside this course. Okay, so you guys do not have to worry about anything. Now the two things which I just want to teach you is very much important. There are two methods which you can use to create landing page. First method is using using WordPress, and second method is using Pipeline Pro. So these are the two methods which you guys can use and create the landing page. It's not necessary to use both of them, but use any one of them which you feel you are more comfortable. Okay, so both methods are very much easy. Both methods do not require any kind of coding. You just have to watch the lecture step by step, and then without doing any coding, just by drag and drop, you guys can also create landing page. Okay, so for example, if you decided to go with the WordPress, so just watch these 3 videos of WordPress, that will be okay. If you want to go with the Pipeline Pro, so just watch this watch these 3 lectures, then you will be basically good to go. Or you can watch both of them, okay, and then you can decide which option you are feeling comfortable at. Okay, but make sure you follow this particular course. Sorry, you just follow this particular course, by the way, and then you will also be able to create one landing page without doing any coding, and you can create the professional looking landing page that will going to help you to get lots of good results from the Microsoft Ads. And I request you guys, in case if you don't have landing page, so make sure you just follow this free course. It will be just sufficient for you guys. Okay, so this is what I just wanted to teach you, that using landing page, how you can be benefited in Microsoft Ads. Okay, now guys, it's very much important to use the AI technology as well. Now what I mean to say you by that, see, it is totally free course, and I suppose that if you're watching it from our partners, so you can see, if I just tell you, so maybe let's say you're watching it from, let's say, Udemy and all this stuff. So Microsoft is a very broad concept, and it requires around 4 to 5 hours in-depth learning. But many our partners platform only allow us to put max to max 2 hours lecture. So it's very much important that you should know about ChatGPT. So ChatGPT is a AI chatbot that can also help you to create Microsoft Ads. And you can ask it any question like you are asking to a normal human, and it's very powerful. So you can just search for ChatGPT, click on enter button, click on this first link, and then you will come to this place, chat.openai.com. But maybe you are totally new to this chatbot. So we also have one free course. It's not total necessary to watch that free course, but just for a knowledge, if you guys are interested, you can just again search for Kuku courses, our website, go to our website. Okay, and now let me just show you, let's before that, for example, let me show you how this tool works. If you say, hi, how are you friend, question mark, click on enter button, you will see that it will going to reply you so well. Hello, I'm doing well, thank you for asking, how about you, and how I can assist you today. So you can see, super simple and easy to use it, right? And now let me just show you again, just scroll down, just click on the free courses button, and basically this if you will see the URL, so it says chat.openai. So basically OpenAI is the company who has created this tool, and it's very powerful. So you can just search here OpenAI, click on enter button, and then you guys will going to see this free course OpenAI guide, which is very much important. It's totally 2 hours course, totally free for you guys to learn. Click on this particular course, and then using this course you will going to learn lot of amazing things. Like you might be too much confused about what OpenAI is, how it's related to ChatGPT. So it's basically a total guide for beginners. So I suggest you guys to click on the start learning button, and in case if you are interested to know about more how to use this tool, so this is the right course for you guys. Okay, you can just step by step watch all the lectures if you are interested. It will just going to boost your knowledge, and if you have this amazing knowledge to use ChatGPT, so it will also going to help you with the Microsoft Ads as well. Okay, so this is the course. Now let's basically train the ChatGPT. Okay, so you can just click on this pencil button to again start from scratch, and you can say it like this. You can message to ChatGPT. So basically I request you guys to pause this video, and if you can basically create OpenAI account and then just start to watch these lectures. Okay, so I guess now you guys have watched the lectures basically here. So I guess now you will come to ChatGPT. Okay, and from here you just have to message to ChatGPT. So how you guys can do that, let me show you. So you can say, uh, you you are expert in Microsoft Ads. You have 20 years of experience running Microsoft Ads and you have generated good sales, or you can say ROAS, okay, or profit for many businesses using Microsoft Ads. Now your job is to help me out with all the questions I have regarding Microsoft Ads. Now my friends, after you type this, you just have to mention what you are trying to sell, what you are trying to promote. Maybe it can be affiliate offer, your own product and service. Okay, so you just have to mention that. So I have online courses platform name as, in my case it's Kuku courses. If you will see here that in this case I will going to promote the Kuku courses business, my membership. Okay, so so if you guys can see, I'm just putting it here, but similarly you guys can put whatever you are trying to promote, maybe any product, any affiliate product or whatever it is. Okay, so I have online courses platform name as Kuku courses, where I sell my courses related to, and now I can put here related to AI, digital marketing, personal development, etc. I can just copy paste it over here like this. Okay, then at end I can ask, so will you help me answer in yes or no, question mark. And after you write this prompt, click on enter button, and then you guys can see that yes, it is giving you a reply that yes, I can help you answer your questions about Microsoft Ads. Feel free to ask anything related to Microsoft Ads to promote your online courses platform. In our case, in my case, it's Kuku courses. In your case, it might be something else which you want to promote. Okay, so now you can basically ask it anything you want. Maybe for example, when we will going to create, let's say some advertisement, or let's say some campaign. If I just go to campaigns, and if I create some campaign, let's say and in the campaign I'm using, let's say, impression. So you, of course you guys can see the impression, but in case if you don't know what impression is, so you can just ask to chat GPT like, hey, in my Microsoft Ads I am seeing the option of impression, or you can say seeing the word impression. So can you explain, let me zoom it out for you guys. So can you explain me what impression is in Microsoft Ads? Please help me to understand it in simple and easy way. Okay, like you are teaching to 5 years old kid, something like this you can put. Okay, and now click on enter button, and now you guys will going to see it will going to explain you what does this impression means, okay, in the very simple way. Okay, so you can see it is giving you the explanation. Of course, imagine you have a big colorful poster with the informations about your online courses. When someone walks by and just see the poster, we call that at a view or an impression. Okay, so it's like when you glance at something quickly. So in Microsoft Ads, when your ads appears on someone's screen or device, that's called the impression. It means your ad was shown to someone even if they didn't click on it. So more impression means more people are seeing your ad. So simple. It has explained you in the very simplest way. Even if you still don't understand, so you can say to ChatGPT, hey, I still don't understand the response about impression you said above. Can you explain me in more simple and easy way with more examples? Question mark, click on enter. Now you will going to see it will just going to explain you in a more simplest way. So that is what I just want to teach you guys. So chat gpt is like your friend, a real human, okay, who can help you with your Microsoft ads. Because as we have mentioned that we, according to the policy, we cannot provide you more than 2 hour course. So maybe when we will going to teach you something and for some reason you don't understand that, okay, so it's very great idea to contact to chat gpt and ask it anything, and it will going to help you out to make you guys understand each and everything in a very simple way. Because this is a free course, and believe me my friends, my free course are watched by thousands of or hundreds of students every day. And free courses questions I may not be able to answer for each and every students. So that's why I have introduced to you guys chat gpt. So chat gpt will be your friend. So in case in future if I try to explain you something and if you don't understand, so chat gpt is the right and correct person to whom you have to ask the question. It is like a normal Microsoft ads expert because we have trained it. Okay, we have told that you are expert in Microsoft ads. Now we have trained the chat gpt to pretend like it's a expert in Microsoft ads. Now it will going to respond you each and every questions in a expert way of Microsoft ads, okay, advertiser. Okay, so that is what I just want to teach you. And one more thing before we just uh, tell you about anything. Okay, in case if you face any more problems, so you guys can always contact to the help and you can start a live chat to Microsoft team. Even after chat gpt you have understood that concept, so you can also contact to Microsoft live chat support team, and they will going to help you out with all your solutions as well. So this is the second option. And third option is amazing. You can just again go to our website, kukucourses.com website. Okay, and after you go to our website, my friends, what we have done is that we have also created one more Microsoft expert or masterclass course from starting to end. If you just search here Microsoft, click on enter, and you guys will going to see Microsoft advertising Bing ads complete A to Z course. Is total 4 hours 30 minutes course, and inside this course we have guide each and everything from starting to end. That will really going to help you out to understand each and everything. So if you are not comfortable with chat gpt, if you are not comfortable with live chat support, and you want to become master in Microsoft by understanding each and everything, each and every concept, like what is keyword planner, what is labels, what is performance target, what is UET tag, conversion goal, automated routes. So these are all the things which comes under inside our course. So basically inside this course we have just taught each and everything from starting to end about each and everything about Microsoft Ads. Okay, so if you will watch this course, you don't need either chat GPT or live chat support. You will automatically become master, because inside this course we have just taught each and everything. You can see so many things are taught inside this course. Okay, and you guys can see the curriculums as well. Lot many things has been taught inside this course. Okay, so you guys can watch it. You can see so many things about remarketing, about shopping campaigns, each and everything. Okay, so this is basically in our membership. So basically all the courses which you guys can see inside our website, so all these courses are under membership. Even you can see the Google Ads course is inside the membership. So if you guys want our membership, so you can just simply click on this membership button, and you guys will going to see two plans, that is yearly plan as well as lifetime plan. And it is one time payment. You can access all the courses. Whenever we launch new courses, you can also access those courses as well for lifetime for free. You will also going to get technical and email support as well with premium blogs. And if you want to get 50% off in this lifetime plan, I suggest you guys to watch this video. Even if you buy the yearly plan as well, so still I suggest you guys to watch this course. Still without watching this video you can buy. Okay, but I prefer before you buy, just watch this video, so you will going to get more idea about the purchasing steps and process which has been covered inside this course. Along with that, we will also going to give you 50% discount in the lifetime plan, and how to avail that has been given inside this course. Okay, so make sure you watch this course and grab the lifetime plan, so you will going to get 50% off in the lifetime plan. And using this membership you can just access all the courses, and believe me, our courses are very much productive and beneficial for you. Like you will learn how to build SaaS with ChatGPT API. So all the latest technology courses you will going to get, ChatGPT plugins, real estate website, and you can see all the different types of categories we work on. Okay, so you will basically going to get and learn lot many things like custom GPT, chat GPT automations, chat GPT API and Postman. You will learn WordPress courses as well, digital marketing courses as well. Art of value investing is related to finance. So if you want to invest your money and want to get good returns, so for them this course has been created. So similarly we have lot many amazing courses like build online tools for passive income. So all these things are under the membership, and you can see that you will going to get lot many valuable courses. Okay, so if you guys are very much interested and want to take your skills to the very next level, so this platform is just for you guys, where we have put lots of skillful courses that we really going to help you out. So from our membership you can just access all the courses and you can purchase it. And in case if you face any problem, you always have WhatsApp support as well as live chat support at the bottom right corner. Okay, so you can ask us question if you have, by the way. But believe me, if you will take our membership, you will always going to enjoy it and always going to love it. But for this lecture I just want to give you the idea about ChatGPT and how it works. And I guess that for now you guys have understood how each and everything works. Okay, and in case if you face any problem, you have three options. Use ChatGPT, it will be your friend, and you can just ask it anything. You can just go with the live chat support as well with Microsoft Ads. But if you want to become master in Microsoft Ads, our course is only for you. And even if you just go ahead and ask to any live chat support, so you basically have to know lot many things. Okay, then only the support chat can help you. So for that as well, our course and chat GPT is good for you guys. Okay, so that's totally up to you. But I just want you guys to introduce you all with ChatGPT. So in case if you face any problem, you will good to go with ChatGPT as well for absolutely free. It will not going to cost you any money. Okay. So that is what I just wanted to tell you. Okay. Now guys, you all know that we are running Microsoft ads. So there will be some ad creatives. Now what are ad creatives? If you just go here and just search for, let's say, Microsoft ads, maybe images, click on enter, click on these images, and you guys will going to see, okay, not this Microsoft ads creatives, or let's say image ads. Okay, so if you will click maybe on this image, so you guys can see that this type of ads are shown by Microsoft, where there will be one image. Okay, and there are more images. For example, if you will click on this image, okay, the image quality is not that much good. For example, if you just click on this image, so you guys can see this is how basically the ads show. So basically you have to create some creatives. So even if you ask to ChatGPT, hey, can I design my image for ads in Microsoft or for Microsoft ads using Canva, question mark, click on enter. So you can see that it will going to tell, yes, you can design images for your Microsoft ads using Canva. Canva is a great tool. So if you don't know, Canva is a graphic design tool. So you can just open the browser and type canva.com. So this will going to help you to design your advertisement. Okay, now now you can also ask to ChatGPT what pixel format I should use for Microsoft ads images, or Microsoft image ads. So you guys can see it's giving you 1200 pixel upon 628. Okay, so what you guys can do, you can just go to Canva, click on create a design. From here you guys can see the option of a custom size, click on that and just put width is 1200, just put that over here, and second thing is your width, that is 628, just paste it here. So you can see ChatGPT is very user friendly. Click on create new design and it will just going to help you out with each and everything. So now you can see using ChatGPT I can easily create my image ad. Now I can also ask to ChatGPT, hey, can you give me some graphic visual idea for idea for you know designing image ad in Canva for my, you can just put your offer. So in my case it's Kuku courses. Click on enter. So you can see it is giving you idea. Then you can just course showcase. You can create a college style image snippet highlighting various courses offered on Kuku courses, different topics such as AI. Okay, so I can, what I can do, I can just put something related to college. Let me just see. I can just search for college, click on enter, just click on the graphics, and you can use all the free materials, or even you can use these graphics as well, like this. Okay, and then you can put some text like I can just go to text, I can select any text, and I can design the text like learn AI digital marketing, and you can just put more and more. Let me just shrink it. Digital marketing, you know, design, coding, and programming, etc. Okay, I can just write something like this, very professional looking, you can see. And I can also put that here. I can even highlight it. I can just go to elements, just click on elements again. I can take some shape like this rectangle. I can just go here. I can see it's very simple and easy to use Canva. Awesome, like this. I can put this in, let's say, yellow color. Okay, and then let's just go to chat GPT and see testimonials. Okay, so I can put some testimonials. So I can just go to elements, I can just search for, let's say, rating. I can just put, let's say, uh, go to graphics. I can put this 5-star one. And I can put, let's say, people face if I get cat. I can go to even photos. I can take this person. Okay, and I can put here like this, and I can just go to text and I can put Matthew says best learning platform with lots of skills. Okay, I can make it to left align like this. Even if I want to change the color of it, so I can just go here and select the color, right? So you can just say something like this. So basically the concept is that you just have to try and create your graphics. Okay, and even you can ask with chat GPT as well, and you can use your own graphic design and creativity. And what I will going to suggest you guys to open YouTube and search for Google Ads Canva, and you will going to find that lot many people will going to create ad, stunning ad. So you will going to get idea to use Canva. Okay, as well as uh, you know how to design it. Okay, so you will basically going to get good idea how to use it. Basically for Microsoft you will not going to find, but if you search for Google, so you will going to find lot many people will going to teach you and give you the idea about their creativity, which also you can apply and create it. Okay, and just for example I can just download this one, and when we will going to create this particular advertisement or campaign in our Microsoft, so at that time we will going to use this creativity which I have just now downloaded. Okay, so this is what you have to make sure that you should have, that you should have the Microsoft ad when we will going to create it. So the creative is going to help people to click on your ad, and when they will click on your ad they will go to your landing page, which you I think have now. Okay, the landing page. Okay, so now guys, if we just talk about your Microsoft ads. Okay, so basically in your Microsoft ad, you guys, if you will just going to click on the campaigns option, So from here, if you just cross it, click on this create option, and you may see something like this if first time. So I suggest you to off it from here. You can just give like this whatever reason, and then it will be off. So from here you can see this is how basically it will going to look like. So all your Microsoft campaigns which you will going to create, whether that can be video views, promote apps and games, visit your website, which is very common. Okay. So in all this type of campaign, you will going to find one thing very common, that in your ad account, in your Microsoft ad account, oops, you can in your Microsoft ad account, you guys can create unlimited campaigns. Okay, and inside your campaign you can create unlimited ad groups. Okay, and inside any ad group you can create unlimited ads and keywords. Okay, so that's the basic structure. Now basically in the campaign level, we will of course going to talk about what is campaign, ad group and ad group levels and each and everything. But in general, just understand one structure, that in Microsoft there will be one campaign, and inside that campaign you can create as many as ad group 1, ad group 2, it can be ad group 3, 4, 5, 6 and many more. Okay, and similarly inside any ad group you can create keywords and ads. Idea is somehow that simple. Even if you just go to let's say if you just go to video views, not video views by the way, that's totally new. Let's just go ahead with, let's say, app installs, just for an example. So here you guys will going to see we have this campaign level setting, then we have ad, ad group. Remember the campaign, then ad group, then we have this ads. Here you can see ads. Okay, and then this is budget and bids. We will going to talk about that, but this is how any campaign which you will going to create in Microsoft, it will going to look like this. Okay, and there will be no difference basically in all the campaigns, and all the campaigns work in exactly the same way. Okay, so just click on the create option, and whatever option you will choose. Similarly, for example, if I choose visit to my website, if I just click on the search, click on the next, again you will going to find the same format. So idea is somehow very simple, and there's nothing too much complicated here. Okay, and we will step by step guide you what is campaign level, what is ad group level, and what is ads and keywords. Okay, so now let's start with the campaign level settings. Okay, so to do this you can just click on this Microsoft logo. So you will go to home page, just click on this campaign. From here you guys can see the option to create. Okay, just click on that, and then from here you can just choose appropriate goal. Okay, and in case if you have any doubts with any of the campaign, you can just click on this question mark option from here, and you can just read about any specific goal. So for example, if you want to get visitors to your landing page, you can choose this option. If you want, if you have offline business, you can just go with this option. But if you want sales, okay, for your product and service, but this requires to have the setup, tracking and all. Okay, so basically this is very much suitable. For example, if I just show you that you have to put the conversion goal from here. Okay, so this is kind of a very advanced topic which you guys will going to see. Okay, of conversion goals. Okay, and the thing, okay, let me just show you. The thing is that if you just choose this conversion option, so you need the setting. So for that our goal feature will that means our Microsoft complete course will only going to help you with this type of campaign. Okay, because here we have teach that whenever anyone will go to landing page to the thank you page, so how you can put that as a you can mark that as a conversion, and what is the concept behind conversion, what is remarketing here. So each and everything has been covered basically in the advanced course. Okay, and it requires lots of time, by the way. Okay, then we have phone calls to my business. If you want to get call, okay, then you have to choose this option. If you want to install or get the installs or downloads in your app, you have to go with this option. Okay, and there are many more. Okay, so I will go with the visit to my website, which is very much common and very much important as well. Okay, so we can select this option. Still let's say if you don't know, let's say, about any of the goals, so what you guys can do, for example, you want to know more about uh, this campaign. Okay, goal of the campaign to the visit to my website. So what you guys can do, you can ask to chat gpt like goal of the you can ask something like this: what is the visit to my website goal of the campaign? Please explain me in the simple and easy way. Okay, and I can also add what is visit goal of the campaign in Microsoft Ad. Okay, like this, and you can just click on the enter button. So now chat gpt will going to explain you in the more easiest way that what this campaign is all about, and if you want have more questions, you can just ask it. But let's select the website to visit to my website, and you just do not have to go with this option for now, which is not too much useful, that is audience ads. We have to just go with the search ad. Click on the next button. We will also going to discuss that as well. Okay, so if you just go to the campaign name, so you have to just name the campaign. For example, first campaign, I can name it just for a teaching purpose, but whatever, or I can just put it my offer, let's say visit, and you can just put your whatever you are promoting. For example, I am promoting Kuku courses, I will going to put that, and from here you can just put your daily budget. For example, I want to invest 1000, it's in Indian currency, or okay, or let's say 700. Okay, 700, okay, per day. It will be approx $1, okay, in US dollars. And then you have to put the location. Okay, so if you want to target to India, you can choose to India. If you want to target to all countries, you can choose all countries. If you want to target to, let's say, specific location, for example, I want to target to United States, I will write that, click on enter button, and in United States you can see this is the country. So I want to target, let's say, to complete United States. Okay, and let's say if you want to ignore some specific state in United States, for example, I want to search for Texas. I do not want to show my ads to the Texas. Okay, so Texas is the state in United States, so I will just going to exclude it. That means now my advertisement will going to show complete United States except the state of Texas. Okay, so this is what the location targeting is all about. Who you can just choose both of them. Okay, basically the first option is that it will going to show if you choose the tick mark the first option. Okay, for example, if you tick mark the first option, so it will going to show your advertisement within the people who are living in United States. Now if you also choose the second option, so what will going to happen is that let's say you have chosen United States and someone from India is searching for your offer, okay, in United States. So to them also the ads will going to show. So I generally suggest to untick this option. Okay, and then we have the language. You can choose the language you want to choose. So in my case it's English, and everything is good to go. And when you will going to click on save and go to next step, so now you will going to go to the ad group level. So you can see our campaign level setting for the campaign structure has been done. Now we have moved to the ad group level. Okay, in the ad group, here you just have to paste your landing page URL. So whatever landing page you have, just paste it there, and then you guys will going to say Bing will going to show you some keyword suggestion. Okay, so in your case it might be empty as well. So from here you can choose the keyword group. So whatever you find, you can just put it here. So basically, what is keyword? So basically, using keyword only our ads appear. If you just go to, let's say, bing.com. Okay, if you just go to, let's say, bing.com. So similarly, like Google, bing.com is the place where people can search for anything. So for example, if I search for digital marketing course, maybe, so these are all the keywords: digital marketing course, Google, etc., etc. Okay, so basically keyword is what people are searching on the search engine. So if someone will going to search for a specific keyword, for example, if I search for digital marketing course and I click on enter, so you will going to find that on this keyword, on this keyword digital marketing course, there are many ads. You can see here, this is the ad. Here you guys can see carefully, ad is written over here, ad is written over here, ad is written over here, and here you can see web. That means it is an organic result, and the top three are the ads showing because of the Microsoft. Okay, and whatever keyword you put set here, so on that basis these ads are showing. So similarly, you can you are telling, for example, these are all the keywords which you have put right now. So you are saying to Microsoft that whenever someone will going to search for, let's say, online course, online master courses. Okay, if someone will going to search for this keyword, and if they will click on or if they use this keyword, so show my advertisement. So this is what you are saying to Microsoft. Okay, so whenever someone will going to search for the keywords which you will going to put here inside, so your ads will going to show, like here it's showing here on the Bing search. Okay, like this is the ad. So that is what. And if you find that any of the keyword is not relevant to your business, for example, this keyword is not related to my business, so I can remove this keyword. And similarly, you can even add more keyword. For example, you can click on enter and you can just add your keyword. For example, you can add something like this, and that's how you guys can add the proper keywords. Okay, and you can remove it from here, and you can also add manually. So this is the story about keywords, and after you put that, you will going to do all the settings related to ad group. So just click on the save and next step here. Okay, and then you will basically complete the ad group settings, and inside the ad group settings you have basically inside this ad group you have basically have to put the proper keywords. Okay, and after you complete it, now it's time to create ads and ad extensions. Okay, so guys, now if we just talk about ads or ads creative, so that is what we were telling you. So now you have to create one stunning ad creative. So people will click on your ad and they will go to your landing page. For example, if someone will going to search for, let's say, online master courses, so here you can see ad, title is written here, description is written here, right? So similarly, you have to create one ad. Okay, so for that you can just go here and just click on create ad. Okay, inside this ad group you can click on create ad, and now you can put the landing page URL. Okay, so where you want people to send, that means whenever someone will click on your ad, so where they will go. So you can just put your landing page URL over here. Okay, like this, and after that it will automatically going to generate the headlines for you. So you can even choose the AI headlines generated by Microsoft. So you can see, you can just select this and you can just put something like this, $20. So you can see whatever you have on your landing page. In my case, I have this $20. Okay, 70 plus courses. So whatever you have on your landing page, it will automatically detect that, and then on that basis it will going to give you idea. You can put it here like this. So that's why creating landing page is very much important. Okay, so maximum 15 headlines you guys can create. Awesome. And in the path you can just write anything. So here you can see right now courses.in, and in front of that you can just put whatever you want. For example, let's say I put membership. So you can see a membership, and I can, let's say, put maybe lifetime membership, maybe whatever. Okay, like this. And in description also AI will going to give you the suggestions which you guys can use. Okay, or you can just put yourself as well. Okay, so that's totally here which you guys can do. And for example, you can say join Cuckoo courses to learn amazing skills with non-tech courses. Similarly, for the second, you can put join Cuckoo courses membership at discounted price. So like that you can put here. Even you can take the help of ChatGPT. That means you can say to ChatGPT, hey, for my offer, can you generate 4, or I can say 15 headlines and 4 descriptions for my ads. Okay, and also mention the limit. For example, if you will just going to see here, so 30 limit is for the headline, 30 word limit is for headline, and if you click on add new description, so 90 characters limit for description. Also you can just put here characters only instead of words. Click on enter. Now it will just going to give you can see a great descriptions as well. So you can use any one of them, or you can just take the mixture of them. For example, I can say drive into our courses now, start learning today. I can just put like this. So you can also take the help of ChatGPT as well, and rest you don't have to do anything. And one more thing, if you are doing maybe affiliate marketing, okay, so you can put the normal landing page URL here, and your affiliate link you can just put here in the tracking template. Okay, so Microsoft allows you to put the affiliate link inside the tracking template. And after you do this, just click on the save button from the bottom, and in this way you guys have successfully created the ad. And rest you just have to go and click on save and go to the next step, and then you will go to the budget and bits. Okay, so now let's talk about the budget and bits. Okay, so basically the currency which we have set now, that's okay. And the main thing is the bid strategy. Bid strategy means how you will going to pay to Microsoft. See, because you are currently using Microsoft to promote your product and service, right? So it's very much important on which basis you will going to pay to Microsoft. So there are many options: CPC, maximize clicks. Enhance CPC means it will just try to give you those clicks where you can get more conversion. Okay, so basically it's good for sale, but in our case, in website traffic, if you want to get more and more clicks, so you have to click on maximize clicks option. Okay, and also if you will see, there are plenty of them, but for now, for a beginners, these two are the, or I can say these top 3 are very much important. If you are going with the sale type of conversion, so you can just go with maximize conversion or enhance CPC. But if you are going with the website traffic, so you can just see this option of maximize clicks. Now there's one more thing. For example, if you want to know more about enhance CPC, okay, so you can also you ask to your friend ChatGPT, and you can say like, hey, what does bid enhance CPC. Wait. Enhance CPC means in Microsoft Ads. Okay. Explain me in easy way with examples. Awesome. So you can see, you can ask to your friend ChatGPT and it will going to help you to understand this in more in depth. Okay, and it will just going to give you more examples as well, so that it will basically try it 100% to make you guys clear with the concept of enhanced CPC. Similarly, you can ask it for any one of them. So if I will going to put lots of time here, so we will going to exceed the hour limit. So let's just go with the enhance maximize clicks. Okay, and that's it, and just click on the save button from the bottom, and you will see that we have created our campaign, and you will see that this campaign will start to run. But make sure that this campaign will only going to work when under your billings and payment you just put money in your account. Okay, so in let's wait for a few seconds. Let me show you guys. So it's taking some amount of time. Okay, so from the payment method, make sure you just add the payment method. So for country to country basis, you will going to see, okay, for example, if you are from US, if you are from United States, so you may see the option of a PayPal as well. Okay, but in my case, when I'm from India, so I have only two options to add the money through credit card or through bank transfer. Okay, so these two are the options available, but country to country it will going to depend. Make sure you just add money to your account, and then your ads will start to run. Okay, so that's how you guys can create any campaign easily on the basis of this Microsoft structure, which is common in almost 90% of the campaign in the Microsoft. Guys, whenever you run any campaign, it is very much important to see the metrics. So in our case, if you remember that we have chosen this visit to my website. Okay, so you can just ask to ChatGPT, hey, I have chosen the goal as visit to my website in Microsoft Ads. So my campaign is start to run now. So now can you tell me what metrics to choose to see whether my campaign is performing good or not? So now you are just asking to ChatGPT that I have chosen that specific option. Now on that basis, can you tell me that what metrics I have to choose? So first is the CTR, so click through rate, CPC, conversion rate. Of course you are not going with the sale. Okay, even you can click on the edit button, and you can say tell me only top 3 metrics. Okay, instead of so much. So click through rate, CPC, and the conversion rate you guys can check. Okay, so CTR, if you will just go back to your campaign. So here you guys will going to see that you have this known as CTR. Okay, so after your campaigns will start going to run, so CTR will going to show. So now if in case if you don't know what CTR is, so you can just ask to ChatGPT itself, hey, can you tell me more about what is CTR in simple and easy way with examples. Click on enter button, and now you guys will going to see that it will just going to tell you about CTR as well, what CTR is. Okay, so basically in simple language, my friends, always understand that if you just see the CTR, so CTR should be more than 1%. Okay, it should be more than 1%, and your clicks should get more and more. Okay, you should get more and more clicks. So these are the some important and basic concepts. Okay, and CPC means cost. That means whenever someone will going to click on your advertisement, if someone will going to click on these ads, so the owner of this the owner of this website will has to pay some cost to Microsoft. Okay, so similarly that is what CPC is. So for every cost, how much money you will going to pay. Okay, even if you don't know what CPC is, you can just ask to chat GPT as well. So you can see CPC concept. Similarly, like CTR, you can ask about the CPC. Okay, and CPC should be less. Okay, rest all the metrics should be great, like clicks should be clicks, impression, and CTR should get more and more. CPC is the cost per click. Okay, for every click how much amount you have to pay, so that is CPC, and your spend should be less. Okay, rest it's all good to go, and this is just the metrics which you have to conclude by the way. Okay, and as I have mentioned that there are plenty of things which is not possible basically in this free course, so I'm not basically promoting anything. But if you go ahead with this approx 5 hours course, so you will more better step by step we will going to guide you about each and every metrics, how to do conversion tracking and each and every stuff. Okay, so that will basically going to help you a lot to understand about Microsoft Ads in more simplest and easiest way. Okay, so make sure you guys just see all this stuff which is very much important, and in this way we have created successful campaign in our Microsoft, and on that basis only you can also create another campaigns as well with the same Microsoft ad structure which we have just now taught you. Okay.